What's the motherfucking deal, YouTube? Man, it's your boy Rizzo Luke back with another video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, download all that shit, man. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. And you already know I got it. The Gushers. You see that? That package. That package. Y'all see that package? This ain't even got the keep kids safe to avoid choking. It ain't got the nutritions on it because I got it out of my box. It was a box. You feel me? And like fuck it. They had a box at the store. But anyway, we're gonna go with this package, man. Fruit flavored snacks. What y'all think about this package, man? Leave it in the comments. What y'all think about it? I think this package is, let me grade it. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna get this package a 6. I ain't gonna lie. But anyway, crack this bitch open. Easy to open. 6.2. You feel me? Don't say what kind this is. So. Smell good. There's all red ones in there. All red ones. These motherfuckers kind of sticky. It's soft. Tastes good. You get a burst of juice coming out the middle of these motherfuckers. Perfect high snack. High snack. But yeah, I'm gonna get a texture. Get a texture of 7. The taste. Y'all seen that? Hey, but we get a taste of 8.2. So here we got the package. 6.2. Texture. Well, I'll say 7. Taste. 8.2. So overall, I'll give this a 7.2. You feel me? Nice 7.2. I'm about to finish these bitches off. But anyway, make sure I hit that like button, share, comment, subscribe, download. And every time y'all hit the notification bell, man, I'm gonna drop a song. Rizzo was in the building. I'm out this motherfucker.